I'm Zaina, and on Zen and Satire, I share delicious plant-based recipes that anyone could love, often inspired by my Syrian and Palestinian background. Today, I'm going to show you how to make one of my absolute favorite summer side dishes, this Mediterranean potato salad, the Syrian way. If you bring this to a barbecue or picnic, I swear everyone will love you. It's vibrant, lemony, herby, and uses absolutely no mayo. It's way better than traditional versions and comes together in about half an hour.
We're gonna start off by placing our washed potatoes in a large pot and filling it with cold water. Add salt and bring them to a boil before simmering until fork tender. Meanwhile, we'll begin prepping our herbs. This Syrian dish is one I always loved growing up, and I'm so glad my mom taught me how to make it just right. The combination of mint, parsley, and lemon is just so nostalgic to me, and every bite brings me back. I like to stack and roll up my mint leaves to chiffonade them, slicing them into thin strips. Then we'll chop up our green onion into small pieces. Then we'll remove all the stems from the parsley. Then we will chop our parsley finely. I like to chop all the herbs finely so you don't get any leafy bits in the salad. Next, we'll prepare our dressing. Add your freshly squeezed lemon juice to a container. Next, we'll add olive oil. We'll add garlic, salt, and pepper. Then mix this dressing thoroughly. I like to just shake it up in a tightly sealed jar. Taste the dressing to see if you would like more lemon juice or salt, then adjust as needed. Mine came out perfect. By now, your potatoes should be ready. Take one out and see if it's fork tender. It shouldn't be overcooked or falling apart. Once they've cooled to touch, cut them into bite-sized pieces. Then, add your chopped herbs to the diced potatoes. Toss lightly to combine. Then, add your dressing. Toss your potato salad to combine everything together. Now we're going to cover the potato salad to chill it in the fridge for at least 15 minutes. This will let the flavors infuse. This potato salad gets even better as it sits in the fridge. Finally, I like to finish it off with some more lemon juice and fresh herbs.
Alright, should we taste it? That lemon and garlic combination just hit it. The mint and herbs are so refreshing, and honestly, this is one of those dishes that just gets even better the longer that it sits. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you loved this video, and if you did, make sure to subscribe for more plant-based recipes. Don't forget to check out the full recipe on the blog, and make sure you let me know if you tried it. I hope to see you next time.